Hello everyone, I am Faisal Sheikh from IIPS DABV and today I am going to solve some questions of computer oriented numerical methods from internal test 1. The question number 1 is write an algorithm flowchart to solve the following pair of equations for x and y given that the values of a11, a12, a13, a21, a22 and a23. Given that a11x1 plus a12x2 is equals to a13 and a21x1 plus a22x2 is equals to a23. Question number A. Comment on results of case 1 and case 2 when there is change of 0.001 in one of the coefficients. Question number B. How interchange of equations affect the solution in case 3 and case 4. The solution of case 1 is, according to Gauss elimination method, converting it into augmented matrix. The given matrix is. Now with the help of above matrix, converting augmented matrix into diagonal matrix using 2.00 as pivot. Applying row operations, we can write R2 as R2 minus R1 into A21 upon A11. Now we get the diagonal matrix here. Forward elimination phase, by solving the equations we get x2 as 16.9589 and x1 as minus 32.79451. Solving the case 2, the given matrix is here. By applying row operations, R2 can be written as R2 minus R1 A21 upon A11. Converting the augmented matrix into diagonal matrix with 2.500 with pivot, the diagonal matrix is here. Applying forward elimination phase, the values of x2 is 12.63265 and the value of x1 is minus 23.7959. Now solving the case 3, the given matrix is 0.2 e to the power 4, 2.000, 2.000 and 1.000, 2.000 and 4.000. By Gauss elimination method or row operations, R2 can be written as R2 minus R1 A21 upon A11. Now the diagonal matrix is written here. Forward phase elimination, by solving the equations we get x2 as 0.99998 and x1 as 2. Now solving the case 4, the given matrix is 1.000, 2.00, 4.00 and 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 4, 2.00, 2.000. The above matrix can be written as here. By applying row operations, R2 can be written as R2 minus R1 A21 upon A11. Now the diagonal matrix is here. Applying forward elimination phase, by solving the equation we get the values of x2 as 0.99998 and the value of x1 is 2. So our A part, in case 1 the values are x1 equals to minus 32.79451 and x2 is 16.9589, and in case 2 the values are x1 equals to minus 23.7959 and x2 is 12.63265. Hence we can conclude that when the values of A22 is changed by 0.001, then the result displays a big change in their x1 and x2 values. Part B, in case 3 the values are x1 equals to 2, x2 equals to 0.9998. In case 4 the values are x1 equals to 2 and x2 equals to 0.99998. Hence we can conclude that the interchange of equation does not affect the solution of case 3 and case 4. Thank you.